G'day, Nick here from cpapbatteries.com.au. Today I'm going to be taking you through the range of batteries we have developed for the ResMed S8 machine. Okay, and here in front of me you can see I have the ResMed S8 and it's hooked up to our smallest battery that we do called the C100. To the right here I have a C150, which is the next size up, and then the biggest battery, which is the C400. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger than the C100, which is roughly the size of my hand. Now, with the pack, with all these batteries, you get yourself a carry case, which protects the battery, and also you can carry all your cables and bits and pieces. This is your 240 volt AC DC charger, so obviously plugs into your power point at home, and the other end's going to go into the battery to charge it. You can get yourself an optional extra DC charger, which is if you want to charge your battery from a car, a boat, you know, maybe a motorcycle or a caravan, anything with a 12 volt output, you can charge using this DC charger here, and you can pick them up from the store. But to start with, I'm just going to take you through the C100, and the C100 here is very lightweight and portable. It's very thin. You can put it in your bag with your S8, and you can take it on planes, you can take it hiking. It weighs only 830 grams. All the batteries have a lovely aluminium housing, okay, so they're quite rugged and they're well protected, okay, and they're built to last. Now, the C100 here at the front, at the business end, we have our DC in just here. That's where we're going to charge the battery, okay? So if we're using our 240 volt AC DC or our DC charger, we can plug it in there and charge it. And charging takes approximately 2.5 to 3 hours from flat to full. When it is charging, the LED indicators will run from left to right until the battery is full, when they will all light up. I can do a test by pressing this button and it will tell me how much charge is left. So you can see that this battery has full charge. As the LEDs come down, the battery has less charge. So 100%, 75%, 50%, 25% flat, and it will probably start beeping at you when it gets flat. Now, you have an on-off switch, so you can switch the battery on and off. Okay, back on. Okay. Now, this battery here, and it's only for the 12 volt machines, has a USB port, so you can charge things like mobile phones and other USB accessories from this battery. The 24 volt battery of this version doesn't have it. Okay, so it's only the 12 volt version. This is the output, so the DC output, and here's the cable, which also comes with the S8 battery pack here, DC cable running into the back of the machine, and you've got a little port there that says DC, okay, and it's just going into the back there. So it's pretty easy. We just plug the cable in there into the back of the machine and it's ready to go. You can start it up, it's running the way it goes. It's saying check tube, so it's turning off because there's no tubing on there at the moment, but that's how she works. Now, the C150, which is just a third in length longer than the C100, it's going to last you probably 14 to 16 hours on a single charge, so close to 2 nights. If you do have a really high CPAP pressure, it might be a bit less than that, okay? But yeah, it's just the same height and the same width. It's just a third longer, okay? It's 150 watt hours. And the C100 is 100 watt hours. So if you ever get asked what watt hour the battery is, that's how you know. The number there is what tells you the watt hours of the battery. And the C400 is a 400 watt hour battery. So at the front here, the C150 doesn't have the USB port, okay? It's just got your DC in, on-off switch, your LEDs, and your DC out. The C400 here, which is the biggest one, it weighs 3 kilo. The C150, 1.1 kilo. Okay, C400, 3 kilo battery. You can expect it to run your S8 there for between 5 to 7 nights on a single charge. It's really, really good. You got your charge there at the bottom, on-off switch again. Then you've got your same thing test. That's your output there, your little output there that you run your cable from into the S8 machine, and a couple of USB ports there as well. You also have a like a cigarette style port, so you can run you know, if you've got some other sort of camping accessories that you want to run from that, you can do so as well. But that big one there, the C400, is mainly for camping, or if you're doing, you know, some big outdoor adventure trips where you're driving, you know, maybe outback and you don't have access to your AC, DC, your 240 volt AC power, you can charge this one up via DC as well, or via solar. But you're gonna, you know, get a lot of nights in a row without having to charge it anyway. So you can sort of pack it up while you go, and then when you do stop, you can plug it in and charge it up. All right, so that's the sort of range there. Have a bit of a read through the website there. There's some frequently asked questions that we get asked quite a lot. If there isn't something there and you need some help, you can always give us a call. There is an online chat on the website now as well, so you can chat to us online if you need a little bit of help. But that's the pack. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like it on YouTube if you will, and subscribe to our channel. Keep up to date. We've got some new camping stuff coming up, some new camping solar batteries and things coming in the pipeline soon. So if you subscribe, you'll get links to them when they come out. Okay, thanks again for watching, and we hope you got something out of this video. Cheers.